The proliferation of technology has irrevocably altered our societal landscape. Environmental degradation is an incontrovertible issue that demands immediate global attention. The nuances of classical literature elucidate the complexities of human nature. Contemporary art often transcends traditional aesthetic boundaries. The economic disparity in modern societies is a testament to systemic inequalities. Philosophical discourses delve into the existential quandaries of human existence. The realm of quantum physics challenges our fundamental understanding of the universe. Ethical dilemmas in medical science continue to provoke intense debate. The symbiosis between culture and language is intrinsic to societal evolution. Political rhetoric significantly influences public opinion and policy. Cognitive psychology offers profound insights into human behavior and thought processes. The intricacies of international law play a pivotal role in global diplomacy. Technological advancements are reshaping the paradigm of education. The intricacies of linguistic pragmatics reveal much about communication subtleties. Environmental sustainability is imperative for the preservation of our planet. The globalization of economies has led to unprecedented interconnectedness. Artistic expression often reflects the zeitgeist of an era. Understanding cultural relativism is crucial in a globalized world. The fusion of tradition and innovation marks the evolution of cuisine. The ethical implications of artificial intelligence spark diverse viewpoints. Climate change is an existential threat that necessitates urgent action. The psychology behind consumer behavior is complex and multifaceted. Historical analysis provides context for contemporary societal issues. The concept of virtual reality blurs the line between the digital and physical realms. The impact of social media on interpersonal communication is profound and multifarious. Bioethical debates are central to the discourse on medical advancements. Linguistic diversity enriches our global tapestry of cultures. The interplay between economic policy and social welfare is intricate. Understanding the nuances of body language can greatly enhance communication skills. The pursuit of renewable energy sources is crucial for sustainable development. The phenomenon of cultural globalization raises questions about cultural identity. The subtleties of poetic expression can convey profound emotional depth. The dynamics of international relations shape world politics. Exploring the psychological underpinnings of motivation can lead to greater self-awareness. The debate over digital privacy rights is increasingly pertinent in our connected world. The interdependence of ecosystems underscores the importance of biodiversity. The exploration of space continues to challenge and inspire human ambition. The ethical considerations in journalism are pivotal in maintaining its integrity. Theories of social justice seek to address systemic inequalities. The intricacies of cybersecurity are vital in protecting digital information. The artistic merit of cinema is often a reflection of cultural and societal norms. The complexity of human emotions is a central theme in psychological studies. The impact of globalization on local economies is a subject of much debate. The role of artificial intelligence in shaping the future is both exciting and daunting. The significance of sustainable urban planning cannot be overstated. The philosophical implications of virtual identities challenge our perception of self. The convergence of biotechnology and ethics presents new challenges. The analysis of political discourse reveals much about societal values and beliefs. The pursuit of linguistic precision is a never-ending endeavor. The ramifications of climate change policy extend far beyond environmental concerns.